Happy 18th birthday, Ella Marie de la Cruz. More birthdays to celebrate.
Happy birthday, Ella. Sana matupad na yung mga pangarap, mag-aaral ka na mabuti.
Hello, Ella. It's me, your Ate AJ. Yes, your Ate AJ. Happy 18th birthday. Wow, 18 na siya. Legal age na siya. Oh my God. Imagine. Bilis lang ng panahon. 18 ka na. Ngayon, like this Saturday, March 14. Wow. Parang kailan lang. Nursery ka pa. Kinder ka pa. Tawag doon, nag-aaral ka pang maglakad, magbasa, etc. Tapos ngayon, 18 ka na. Like, fine young woman, dog. At nasasabi ko na, ipagpatuloy ang iyong pag-aaral. Tapos, chase your dreams, like, kung ano yung gusto mo, sundin mo. Like, sa puso man o sa utak. Basta kung ano gusto mo, yun ang i-follow mo. As long as na, gusto mo talaga. Diba? May libro sana ako bibigay sa'yo. Kaso, hindi ko ipapadala. Kasi gusto ko, like, personal ang ibigay. So, in the future, diba? I hope na masaya yung birthday mo this Saturday and ma-enjoy mo lamang. Kasi 18 ka na, debut. Grand debut of Ella Marie D. Bata. Birthday. Ay, Monday, no! Sorry, mali. Ella Marie B. De La Cruz pala. My fault. Technical error. Oh my God. De La Cruz pala. Sorry. Nakalimutan ko. Ginawa kong middle initial yung De La Cruz mo. Tapos ginawa kong pido mo bata. Sorry. Ella Marie B. De La Cruz. Yun yung tama. Fine yung woman na si Ella. To wish you na to have a healthy life and a happy life as a young adult. Malamang kasi 18 na. Parang minsan lang naglalaro lang tayo. Ayan, 18 ka lang. I greet your happy 18th birthday again. Miss ko na kayo. Miss na kita. Bye-bye. Yun lang.
Hi po, Ate Ella. Happy 18th birthday po. You have finally reached adulthood, and I want you to know that even though we might not talk that much, I want you to know that how truly thankful I am to have you as my cousin, as my Ate Ella. And I have seen your videos online sa Facebook, your photos on Instagram, your My Days, and I'm really amazed by you, on how confident you are and inspiring you are. I hope you stay happy, I hope you stay true yourself, and I hope you don't stop chasing your dreams, and keep pushing forward until you reach all your goals. And yeah, I hope you enjoy your special day, and I wish you nothing but happiness and success and blessings that life can offer. Happy birthday po, ate!